What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your cabin air filter on your Toyota Highlander. If you guys are new to this channel, consider subscribing. I do a lot of DIY automotive and household videos. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so we'll open our glove box. Then we're going to squeeze on both sides and pull down, and the whole thing will drop. Then we'll be able to just pull off this little cover back here. Then we can pull out this filter tray with the filter. Ooh, doggy, look at that thing. Look how dirty that is. You're going to want to go ahead and replace this thing about every 20 or 30,000 miles. But it's so easy to check, just replace it when it gets bad. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that old filter. There we go. And we'll go ahead and snap our new filter into that little casing. There we go. Now we take it, slide it back into the groove, and snap the cover back on. Snaps back on. If you have the newest Highlander, you'll just have a little door you'll pull down before you get to this piece, but it's the same thing other than that. Then we'll go ahead and squeeze our glove box back, and we're done. Alright, and that's it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel, and check out my Patreon page, Johnny DIY. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.